Welcome friends. Question number 1. Which special file is used for narrow work? Answer A. Pillar file. 2. Why slots are provided in the slotted castle nuts? Answer A. To fix split pins. Third, what is the name of limit gauge? Answer C. Progressive plug gauge. 4. What is the name of gauge? Answer ring gauge. 5. Which gauge is used to check the gap between the mating parts? Answer C. Feeler gauge. 6. Which material is used to clean the slip gauge? Answer carbon tetrachloride. 7. Which material is to wash off the lapping plate after charging? Answer B. Kerosene. 8. Which material is used to protect slip gauge from rust? Answer D. Petroleum jelly. 9. What is the procedure to build up the slip gauge for particular dimension? Answer A. Start arranging with the largest slip gauges. 10. What is the name of the gauge? Answer D. Adjustable snap gauge. 11. Which finishing process have a high degree of dimensional accuracy? Answer D. Lapping. 12. Which is the abrasive used for lapping soft steel and non-ferrous metals? Answer D. Fused alumina. 13. Why grooves are provided on the surface of the lapping plate? Answer C. To retain the abrasive. 14. What is the method of surface hardening? Answer B. Back carburizing. 15. What is the method of surface hardening? Answer C. Flame hardening. 16. What is the name of the heat treatment process for reheating the hardened steel to a temperature below 400 degrees centigrade followed by cooling? Answer C. Tempering. 17. Why the tempering process carried out in steel? Answer D. To regulate the hardness and toughness. 18. What is the purpose of annealing in steel. Answer C. To relieve the internal stress. 19. What is the name of the key? Answer B. Feather key. 20. What is the purpose of key? Answer A. To transmit torque. 21. What is the ratio of keyway taper? Answer D. 1:100. 22. What is the name of the key? Answer A. Taper sunk key. 23. Which type of metal screws useful for shelf tapping on hard or brittle materials? Answer B. Thread cutting. 24. What is the advantage of wing nut? Answer C. Loosen and tighten without wrench. 25. What is the name of gauge? Answer D. Radius gauge. 26. Which gauge is used to check the accuracy of an external thread? Answer B. Thread ring gauge. 27. What is the instrument used in measuring external diameter? Answer D. Pair of special jaws by using slip gauge. 28. Find out the height of slip gauge A. Sin 25 equal to 0.4226. Answer B. 84.52. 29. How many set of feeler gauges are available as per BIS? Answer B. Set number 1, 2, 3, 4. 30. What material is used to make radius and fillet gauge? Answer B. Hardened steel sheet. 31. What is the part marked as X in lapping tool? Answer A. Slit. 32. What is the purpose of slit provided in the lapping tool? Answer B. For expansion. 33. What is the name of operation? Answer D. Lapping large diameter. 34. What type of abrasives are used in honing cast iron and non-ferrous materials? Answer C. Silicon carbide. 35. Which method of surface hardening The surface remains free from scales. Answer D. Induction hardening. 36. What is the process if the steel is heated above critical temperature and soaking it for sufficient time and cooling it very slowly within furnace? Answer A. Annealing. 37. What is the process to refine the structure of steel component? Answer D. Normalizing. 38. Which method of surface hardening is done in a heated salt bath? Answer D. Liquid carburizing. 39. What is the name of part marked as X? Answer B. Splined shaft. 40. Which key has rectangular cross section, is fit into keyway cut on both shaft and hub? Answer A. Sunk key. 41. Which key is useful for fitting on tapered shafts? Answer C. Woodruff key. 42. Where is circular taper key used? Answer A. Light duty transmission. 43. How the plain bearings are kept in a position without allowing them to rotate along with the shaft? Answer C. By key or screws. 44. What is the name of key? Answer A. Flat saddle key. 45. What is the name of key? Answer C. Jib head key. 46. What is the file for lock repair and filing hard notches in keys? Answer C. Warding file. 47. What is the name of screw? Answer B. Driver screw. 48. What is the advantage of lock washer? Answer D. Prevent bolt or nut from loosening under vibration. 49. What is the name of screwdriver? Answer A. Offset screwdriver. 50. What is the name of locking device? Answer D. Spring washer. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.